Yeah, just gotta park this. Hi everyone, Christian here, the creator of the Lego Minifigure Show. In this episode, Spidey gets in danger in while riding his dirt bike. Let's see what happens next. Enjoy this episode. I gotta get back on my bike. Oh, make sure I gotta wear my helmet though. Alright, let's get going. Bye. Enjoy.
Today's a spider website.
Woohoo! Yeah! Woo! Hey there, Mickey.
Oh, hey there, Spidey. Let me get up. Enjoying the nice weather?
Yeah, actually, I just got this really new cool dirt bike. You want to come and see it?
Oh, boy, that sounds awesome. Let's go see it now.
All right, let's go. Come on. Woohoo! Yeah! All right, where's my... Aha, parked it over here.
Spidey, where did he go? Whoa!
So, what do you think?
Well, it's certainly amazing.
Well, I'm gonna go ride it. I'll be back in like 5 minutes or so.
All right, bye, Spidey.
See ya. This is gonna be awesome. Here I go. Go, webs, go! Yeah! Woohoo! All right, starting out good. Driving in the dirt. All right, dodge that! Whoa! Whew! Get it out of there. Now it's flat land. Oh no. I don't think I can get my webs to go over this one. I guess I'm just gonna have to go. Whoa! Yes! Haha! It worked perfectly.
You know, he said it was only gonna take 5 minutes. It's been about 10. You know, I'll go look for him.
Woohoo! Yeah, smooth and steady. All right, here comes a drop. Better get ready for this one. This'll be awesome. All right, here it comes. Whoa! Picking up speed. Woohoo! Yeah!
Where is he? And the sun's already setting. I don't think I'll find him.
Woohoo! Speed past the mailbox. What? Now go, webs, go. Yeah! Woohoo! It's like a zip line. But it's webs. Oh, no. I totally forgot. I passed my time. I've been out here for like 20 minutes. I told Mickey I'd be out here for 5. I need to go find him. ASAP. Let's go. I hope I find him. And I hope he's not mad.
I've been looking for Spidey for a long time, and I still can't find him.
Okay, I'll get on top of here to look for a better view. Woo! Woo! Finally made it. Hey, look, there's Mickey. Mickey, wait up! Go, webs, go! Yeah! Mickey, wait up! I gotta catch up to him. Ow! No, I'm crashing! Ow! Help me!
Still can't find him. Wait, what? That's Spidey, and he's crashing! Oh no! I need to go help him right now!
Ow! Ow! Ow!
I'm coming!
Ow!
What? Hold on, Spidey!
Ow!
bike. Spidey, Mickey. No, my bike crashed and it's okay. Let's just go inside.
I'm sorry I didn't come home on time.
It's okay. I'm just glad you're safe. And you wore a helmet.
Yeah, thanks to this thing, I'm safe. I'm gonna be more careful next time and more aware of my time.
Haha.
Hi everyone, Christian here. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure to subscribe and like if you want more. Bye!